how do you advertise your store on Facebook? What do you need?
The first thing you need is a really good collection. Like, you need a quality catalog of products that people are actually interested in. If you don't have that, then you could have Don Draper in your ad account. It's not going to matter. And I think a lot of beginners mix that up. I certainly did, thinking that you can solve all your problems in your ad account. It really starts with your product catalog and a well-optimized store that is easy for people to check out on, put it simply. But then in the ads, our ad creative and everything we do is extremely simple. Like the targeting, we use open targeting. Our ad creative is literally just pictures of our mockups. And then Facebook, if you upload a bunch of mockups, it'll automatically like turn it into slideshows and carousels and that sort of thing. And then for the ad copy and offers that we run, we just essentially like sprinkle in emojis, talk about like the new collections that you're dropping, give some kind of discount or incentive to increase urgency, scarcity, and then include a link in the ad copy for a call to action, and then something that builds social proof. So a mention of the number of customers you've sold to, or number of reviews, or mention your 30-day money back guarantee. Those are the big points that we hit on for like within the ad. But nowadays Facebook is very good that if you have a good catalog and you set up ads that like check those boxes that I just mentioned, it'll find the right people for you without doing any kind of like really complex or detailed targeting or any of that.
Okay. So for the people that are completely new to this, obviously you'll have to create a Facebook page, right, for your brand. I'm guessing, or can you do it without a Facebook page running the ads?
Yeah. The things you need are a business manager, which you go to business.facebook.com/settings, set up your business manager. That's basically your umbrella for holding all your assets. Then you create your ad account within the business manager. Then you create your Facebook page and Instagram account. You link those two together. Then from your Shopify store, you add the Facebook app, and that integrates it. That acts as your pixel that people have probably heard of. I don't know why it does that.
Oh, what's going on?
Are you seeing the fireworks that are going right now?
I have no idea why that's happening.
I have no idea what that is.
We'll just pretend that didn't happen.
It's just, it's really excited about Facebook.
Likes your thumb, maybe. I don't know. That's so strange.
Yeah, I don't. Anyway, so that's about it. So the business manager, ad account, pixel, pages, then you combine all those two together. Those are the assets you need, and then you upload your mockups and start making the ads.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and you mentioned Instagram there as well, which, like for the people that don't know, like Facebook and Instagram are basically the same company. So if you're using the Facebook Ads console, your ads will also be shown, or you can show them on Instagram, which I'm guessing you recommend doing that as well, and not just focusing on Facebook.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you're right on. They operate as basically the same company. So whenever somebody says I'm running Facebook ads, they're also running Instagram ads. And when you're starting out, a way that you can run your ads very cost effectively and save money before just spending a lot on conversion ads is running what's called a page post engagement campaign. We run these at like a $5 to $10 a day budget, and these are not optimized for sales. So you're not going to start scaling purchases on your Shopify store. But what you will get is the ability to you add a bunch of your products, say like 20 or 30 to test. And at very low budgets, it'll optimize for getting people to engage, like, comment, share on that post. And that is a great barometer for finding which of your products, if any, are going to be winners. And once you see like out of the 20 to 30 that you test, you take the top 3 or 4, and those are the ones that you put into conversion campaigns, which is optimized for purchase. More expensive, but that's where a lot of people end up blowing a lot of money, is when they just jump right to conversion campaigns before testing them out.
Okay, see, that's a good tip, because I think that is, well, I've tried Facebook ads for different things before as well, and I think that tends to be the experience for people, is that they want to convert, right? They try those ads, they maybe burn $100 and get no sales, maybe one sale, and then it's like, okay, maybe this doesn't work out for me, I'll stop doing it. So you would say try some of the lower cost ads before, just for engagement, in order to have an easier time getting conversions later.
Yeah, exactly.
And you sent me a screenshot of one of your offers. I'll add it to the video afterwards, but shall we just discuss any key points in that which are important?
Yeah, that's just an example ad. It basically just hits on the main points that I just ran through, like what to include in the ad copy, emojis, some kind of discount, include a link to shop now. The key thing is really the creative. And the order that users on Facebook will engage with or look at an ad starts with the creative. They look in the center, then they look at your headline, then they look up at your ad copy, then they look down at the call to action button, and then your link description. So that's the order of importance for like what you should be focusing on. But the real key is a really eye-popping creative that's like standout colors. And you can do this in Canva. It's not that complicated, but you just run it through some filters so it like really stands out and doesn't just blend in with the other colors on Facebook.
Yeah, this one definitely stands out with the bright orange, bright yellow shirt, which I wouldn't have chosen that color, probably assuming, you know, it's not really a shirt color that a lot of people would buy. But I guess it is more eye-catching than black might be in that case. So that's interesting. And the copy is very, very minimalistic, just straight to the point. New collection, save up to 35%, limited time, right? So you've got some urgency in there. Well, that's really great. And where do you get the mock-ups from typically?
That one my wife made. That's the one that we're making. That brand is the one that we're making from scratch in the free course that like we're showing, like making that, basically that brand.
Okay.
And she made that herself. She basically just ran it through some Canva filters to make it pop.
Right. I'll leave the link to that free course in the description so people can see it, because that mock-up looks amazing.